I'm gonna be teaching you all how to make this viral TikTok salad with some rice and salmon. And our ingredients today are we're gonna be using our rice, we're gonna be using salmon, sweet pepper, salt, oil, my mixed pepper, some shrimp. And the first thing we have to do is first of all boil our rice. And before you cook your rice, what you want to do is you want to wash your rice properly. And part of the main reason why you want to wash it is just to take out, the starch inside of the rice. For the most part, you can wash your rice 3 4 times depending on how you want to do it. But that starch, I don't really like the starch that come out of it, so I try my best to take the necessary amount of starch I can take out of it. And after you've done that, after you're done, washing it, what you want to do is you want to cook it. Cook your rice for a few minutes or until when it's softened. And once you're done, while that is going on, the next thing you want to do is take out of our salmon. What I'm doing right now is I did that guy was too big, so what I tried to do was cut it into two, then dampen a little bit because you don't want it wet. Once you're done, dampen it with your towel. The next thing you want to do is add your spice to it. For this, I have my mixed spices already, so that what I'm doing right now is just apply that spice to my salmon. And once you're done with that, you want to also add a little bit of olive oil. Today for this salmon, what I'm going to do is use my my air fryer to take care of it. So add a little bit of apply the oil viciously around the salmon, and once you're done with that, you want to put it inside of your air fryer. That's me right there, putting my salmon inside of the air fryer. And you just want to just to be considerate, let that guy stay in the air fryer for about 14 to 15 minutes. And this is me right here checking my rice. I added a little bit of salt, maybe just a spoon and a half is should be fine of salt. Don't forget, you don't want to make your rice so salty, and it was so hard there. So what I did right there is just add a little bit of water. That way we're not eating any kind of hard rice. Once that is done, the next thing we want to do is cut our sweet pepper. That's our yellow sweet pepper. Cut your sweet pepper in between. I have a red one also, and I also in between I'm going to start cutting my red sweet pepper also. Cut that guy good. And part of the reason why I'm gonna enjoy this guy is because in between I was talking to my doctor, and she said, Sam, even if you eat rice, try to add some veggies to it. So this will be a good way to have all these veggies with my rice. And that's me right there, just cleaning my shrimp in my shrimp, and make sure everything is well taken care of. Thank you guys. I want to thank you all for your support towards my channel. And if you're not subscribed, please kindly subscribe. If you can share, kindly share. If you watch this video and you're using this recipe, inside of the comment section, do the same thing also. Let me know. Let me know what you think. Let me know the outcome. And what I'm doing right here is just dicing my my veggies, those bell pepper. And right here, what I'm doing right here is cutting my cucumber. Just take your time, no rush. Cut your cucumber, and take your time in general. Once you're done cutting your cucumber, the next thing you want to do is put everything together in a bowl. And what we want to do is want to cook those veggies for a little bit. Add a little bit of oil to your pan. Don't make it so hot. I'm just first thing I did put inside of my pan is the shrimp. I want my shrimp to fry a little bit, just trying to test to see if it's the right time to add those veggies to the pan. Add your shrimp to it, add your cucumber to the pan, fry that guy. And for the most part, we just want to make it cook for just a few minutes. I'm looking at between 4 to 5 minutes. That's my cucumber right there. And one thing is, if you've tried this recipe, put it down in the comment section. Let me know if you've tried this recipe before. While that what is going on. That's not everything. I just want to cook a little bit. And what I'm doing right here is, in general, just adding those veggies together, add everything together, and like I said initially, let it cook for like, maybe like 4 to 5 minutes. I'm sure within 4 to 5 minutes that guy should be good. And don't forget to add your spice a little bit. Just add a little bit of those mixed spice. When I say mixed spice, I'm talking about a little bit of curry salt all mixed together, all together, and that's what I literally just added to my veggies right there. While that is going, don't forget to mix everything all together. Make sure you mix your veggies frequently in between, like that way you don't just have your spicy like just on one spot. You want to mix everything like generously. Just take your time, there's no rush. In between, I got a comment recently from one of my previous videos, and a whole lot of folks did decide like I should just slow down, that way you guys, for folks who are literally following the video, or really want to use, can literally take everything bit by bit. So I'm not rushing this, I'm not fast forwarding this video, I'm just taking everything, the whole process step by step. So what we're doing this right here again is, we're just those veggies, we're just mixing everything together to make sure everything cooks, everything cooks properly. Inside of the comment section, let me know where you all are watching my video from. If you're watching in Texas, if you're from Germany, if you're from Africa, if you're from Australia, let us know right there in the comment section. And once again, I want to say I really appreciate you guys' support towards my channel. Without you guys, without God, without y'all, this channel won't be where it is today. But you guys, I really want to appreciate your support. And we have something big coming. We have something coming. We have something on the way. So just stay tuned, and I will get y'all posted. Going to our recipe for today. Like I said initially, we're gonna take it slow step by step. Making literally what we're doing right here is making sure our veggies cook properly. And don't forget what that is going on the other end. We are also watching the rice. Also, we're doing everything at the same time. By the time we're doing it such a way that while this guy is ready, the rice is ready, and our salmon is also ready. So in between, frequently, I'm also checking out, my salmon, and also checking out the rice also. Some people like the brown rice, some people like the white rice, but for me, I prefer the white rice on its own. So yeah, so once again, mix everything up together for the last time. At this point in time, our veggies should be well done. We should be ready to go. But me, I like all my stuffs well done. Either my chicken, either even while I grill my meats, my fish. I like everything well done. At this point in time, my rice is done, and at this point in time, what I'm trying to do is right now just serve my rice inside of a plate. Once you're done serving, you want to add your veggies also, and you see right there, those are my veggies. My veggies are my rice, and in between I just added my salmon. Oh my god, this guy looks so good. Guys, you don't want to know how this guy's really tastes. This recipe, should I say, one of my favorite. Guys, try this recipe and let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. If you think there's any way we can, one thing we did miss, that we miss a spice, we didn't miss any ingredients, let me know down there in the comment section. Oh my god, this guy looks so good. This guy looks so yummy, so delicious. I literally can't take my eyes off it. So yummy. From right now, I'm gonna start right there. This is a viral video right there. I have my spices, I have everything in place. Guys, I want to say thank you for watching, and subscribe to watch more.